Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do an unboxing of this company called MEIJI. They're from Japan. They sent me a couple of their brand new spray guns for review. So let's just open them up. Let's see what they sent me. Alright, let's start off with this one. Let's just open it up. Right there guys, this is a it's called finer core. This is a 1.3 tip. So right away you get your paint gun, your spray gun. Real nice finish. Wow. This is a full-size paint gun, guys. It might seem small because it is a smaller air cap, and the gun it's also a little smaller, but it is a full-size paint gun. Okay, let me see what else it comes with. Comes with the inspection, and this one does come with the cup. Your manual and your tool to disassemble and your cleaning kit. That's it. That's all that comes in this box. I will be showing how these guns spray. I am gonna do it in a later date. Reason being, I need to take a little vacation. I've been working real hard, so I'll be taking a little vacation. When I come back, I'll be showing you the review on this. But this is one of them. This one is exactly the same as this one. The only thing is that this one is a 1.5 tip. Right there. It is a finer core, but it's a 1.5 HVLP. Okay. So I'm not going to open this one. This one, the only thing that comes in is it's going to be your manuals, inspection, and the gun. Right there. Next, we go with these. These are also finer core. Right there. And this one's B cap EX. Let's open it up. The thing with these guns, guys, these guns are also full-size guns. The thing is that the cup is on the side. This one's just so you can stand the gun. That's what it's for. You can take it off. This is what comes in the box. Your manual, your inspection. Okay. But it also comes with a little tool and some indicator rings, so you can label your gun which is which. But let me show you the cup that comes with these guns so that you can see how these guns are. They're a little bit different than your normal paint guns. Here's a cup for these type of guns. Right there. I have never used these type of guns that the cup is on the side, but I know that it's real convenient. Reason being that you can paint upside down with these guns. You tighten them up, and whenever you're painting, let's say you're painting this way, and if you're gonna go up, spray upside down, just tilt the cup up. You can start spraying. All right, spraying like this, you can tilt the cup. That's the only difference with these guns, and also the air cap. The air cap, there's different types of air caps. I did get all the air caps that they have for this type of gun. I'll go to the computer right now and I'll show you the difference of spray patterns that each letter or that each air cap does. It's going to be real interesting to start spraying with this type of a paint gun. Huh. All right, and this one, it's the same thing. It's the same thing as this. The only thing is that this one has the T cup, the T air cap. Okay, but it is the same gun. Right there, with a T air cap. They did send me, like I mentioned, they did send me the other air cap, which is the R air cap. There you go. And an air regulator. Right there. So let me just go to the computer real quick, show you the different types of air patterns that each cap has, and go from there. There it is. This is a unboxing for this spray gun. And guys, thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel so you can see the review and demonstration of this of these paint guns. All right, guys. Also, hit that like button. It helps a lot. And enjoy the weekend. All right, thank you. Next weekend, remember, I'm not going to post a video, but I'll be posting a video the following weekend. All right, thank you. And like always, God bless.